Hi guys, today we're going to talk a little bit about air purification in our house. So here we have two different products from company Bryant. On this side I have air purifier which allows us to reach a MERV15 rating, and this system we usually using with our top tier air conditioners or furnaces, and that's pretty much which we get used to. So this air purifier it's going to be installed directly next to the furnace. It has a filtration cartridge, this cassette, and it also has this special electronic coil, like electric coil, which allows us together with filter reach MERV15 rating. So this system, it was on the market for maybe 15-20 years. Now that's the most efficient and modern filtration system for residential houses, which doesn't release ozone in the air, which is one of the requirements from California government. So it is a great product, but it has some but. It's not so convenient to use it when you need to replace system and this filter installed in your attic or in a basement. So in that case you need to go there every 6 months and do it manually. In that year Bryant released new product which is exactly the same filter, but it can be installed directly in the ceiling, together just behind your return grill. If you have kind of this grill on your ceiling, which sucks the air and returns it back to the system, it's pretty possible that you will be able to install this filtration, this air purifier on this one. What it allows you to do, it allows you to replace filter directly from the house. And now we're going to show you how to do it, because it's really simple. Let's imagine it's our ceiling in our house, and here we just removed return grill because it wasn't convenient for me to stay here. But what we have on our ceiling. And to replace filter, you just need to remove this filtration cassette, and that's it. Put it back, and close it. HVAC system installed in the attic or in the basement. First of all, you need to get to the system, turn off the power, and after you see this light is off, you just need to pull this cover, remove the filter, and replace it to the new one. Then assemble it back and turn on the power. So now if we compare these two products, we definitely see advantage of this new unit, because we have access to the filter and we can replace it easily without any professional help. Second, and from my opinion that's the most important advantage, this filtration system allows you to remove dust or any contamination from the air from the very beginning on the return duct, and it won't be collected inside the return duct itself. Versus this one, when we have this unit installed on our system, it collects all the dust in the return duct as well. So as soon as we replace it to a new filter, it's going to be a little bit contaminated with existing duct. Thank you, goodbye.